for today's video guys, we will print hello world using Turbo C++. So the first thing we needed to do is we go to file then new. So palakin na po natin. So the first thing we will input is include string.h. So the use of this is para po makapag-input output tayo. Then second one we will use int name. This is in curly bracket. So this is the starting point of every C++ program. That we will input is cout. Then we make sure that we will put a double quotation to display a variable. And we make sure that we put a semicolon in every statement of our program. So to end our program, we must put a return 0. Then lastly, we make sure that we don't forget the last curly bracket. Then let's save it. Compiled, so there's no error, so we can run the program. Then Alt F5 rather. So that's it guys.